Hey guys, did you know that your phone has an easy mode? Yes, it does. Here, I'll show you. Swipe up, go to settings, go to display, all the way down here. Easy mode. You didn't know that because it's off. Well, here, let's put it on. So you just swipe that over like that. And what easy mode does is it's a simple home screen layout with bigger on-screen icons and a longer touch and hold delay to prevent accidental actions. Or if you're like me, you have fat fingers and you keep hitting all the other little buttons, you want to hit like just the ones. So it simplifies things. Plus there's that beautiful black and gold, well, black and yellow keyboard, which I really like. If you haven't seen that keyboard, you definitely want to check that out. So, and you can even like adjust how long you can touch and hold. You can even do it custom, so you can go like, all right, I don't want anything to happen for 3 seconds. You can do that if you wanted to, which I don't want to because that's a long time. But say for some reason you got this laying around and you got a cat that keeps walking around and touching it, or maybe you bump it occasionally. So let's go back and see what the easy mode looks like now. So you can see the icons are much bigger, and it does say that it's going to like discard any customizations that you made, but don't worry because when we switch it back, everything will be back to normal. So you can see here, you pull up the apps, all those icons are bigger. You just have to go over to the side, do things, and then let's say you want to type something in here, like a search. So you have this wonderful keyboard here, which I really like. I use this as my basic keyboard. Very visible. Even in like bright light, you can see this keyboard. And you go back like that. And yeah, well, let's see. Settings. Let's see if everything goes back to normal. Hit display. Down to easy mode. Undo easy mode. And now everything's back to the way it was before. So there you go, easy mode. You may not have been aware of that. It might come in useful. If it does, give this video a like. If you like me, give the channel a subscription because that really helps me. And I hope you guys feel like helping somebody else today because that's a really nice thing to do. It'll make you feel better too. So have a great day and see if you can help somebody. Take care.